Alright, so we got a quick room tour. We're up on the 26th floor, room 2612. Let's see, we got the bathroom here. Just a sink. Just a normal bathroom. The shower tub combination in it. Little desk. Nightstands. We did get the king size bed. It's got the TV. Some drawers. There is a wall safe. Now this one does have an air purifier in it. I'll purify the air. And then we do have a strip view. We got a good view of the roller coaster. You can see the MGM. Excalibur's right there. Windows aren't real big, but still a good view. Should be real pretty at night. Got a couple of chairs. Overall, I'd say it's a very nice room. Gotcha, baby.
There's gum all over my pants.
She's checking out the free masks and hand sanitizer they provide for us. It's a stay well room. So I guess they provide a few extra things, and like I said, it does have an air purifier in here. But let's go exploring.